Now, shifting our perspective a bit, let's return to the factory floor. This example shows how managers can use attendance data to understand workloads and improve labor management. In many factories, employee attendance is tracked either through time cards or digital systems. These records show when employees clock in and out, how many hours they work, and how often they work overtime. From the manager's perspective, there are a few important questions. How much workload is each employee currently handling? Are there any concerning trends in overall work hours or shift patterns? And with growing attention on work style reforms, what labor policies or improvements should be considered? We asked the AI to review overtime data from July to November 2024 and highlight patterns that may require attention. Several employees were flagged for consistently working over 40 hours of overtime per month, raising concerns about health risks and workload sustainability. Others, like Ms. Okuda, showed sharp spikes during specific weeks, suggesting unbalanced task allocation or unexpected demand. Conversely, some employees had little to no overtime, further indicating potential inefficiencies in workload distribution. What's compelling is that the AI not only summarizes the data, it also generates visual graphs, making it easy for managers and HR to identify trends and take action. Ultimately, this kind of analysis helps promote fairer labor practices and supports a healthier, more balanced work environment.